ICAR Research Complex NEH Region Manipur Center amadi ICAR KRISHI VIGYAN KENDRA ANINA SHINDUNA livelihood improvement of tribal farming communities through integrated farming system in Manipur HAIBA thimda Nongmagi Oiba Loumee Shing workshop cum exhibition camp ama ngasi LAMPHELPAT LEIBA ICAR complex da Pangthokkhre exhibition camp aduda Directorate of Horticulture gi Commissioner Secretary Thaithulung Panmai, Directorate of Extension Education CAU gi Director Dr. PH Ranjit Sharma, Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry gi Joint Director Dr. Lois Hongre, ICAR RC NEH Region gi Nodal In Charge Dr. S. Hajarika, ICAR Manipur Center LAMPHELPAT ki Retired Principal Scientist Dr. I. Meghachandra amadi ICAR Manipur gi Regional Center Head Dr. C.H. Vasudhana athoiba mithunglen sing oina saruk yakhi thauram aduga mari leinana ICAR Plant Pathology gi Senior Scientist Akoijam Ratan Kumar na hai ngasi gi program asi kumja lising ani tara humdoida ICAR na paikhat khiba Tribal Sub Plant TSP gi makhada pangthokpa workshop cum exhibition program ni TSP gi manung channa Manipur gi chingi farmer singna mamangai dagi sizinnarakliba lawu singu gi mawong asi scientific oiba mawong da hongdoktuna chathok henna puthok hannaba pandam thamli ngasi ICAR LAMPHELPAT ta pangthokliba workshop cum exhibition asida Manipur gi tongan ba district singdagi tribal farmer chahum rom na stall kun nithoi hangdoktuna makhoi gi pothok sing puthoktuna changdamnari haina mahakna makhata khi
Tribal Sub Plant TSP haina khoi gi program ama 2013 dagi khoi ICAR implement torokoni asigi program jigi matung ina khoi ngasi ji khoi gi sahi mayam ama sangna toropji da khoi gi farmer jingna moina kai khoi gi agriculture da kai improvement oide haiba adagi di atopa kari da muk onjan baya haiba gi mong da khoi na program asi sinjabani adu ngasi farmer je khoi chahum gi mathak da khoi invite tawjai aduga mafam district ayama dagi loi sure farmer jing je lai je ukhul dagi senapati dagi chandel gi dagi di chochampu gi dagi di tamelong gi ayamba loi sire imphal west ki ju khoi gi tribal jing loi yaujare aduga ngasi khoi uchari sida moina puthokchagi badune aduga atopa khoi already successful lairiba entrepreneur jing natraga khoi farmer jing ka mu interact tawrakanda amuke hena sathok pothok adagi kadamba anova agriculture gi da karamba amu adopt tawba yai adi moida sinaba yai haibagi du adugi pandam da khoi program asi sinjabani